wall. In the past few weeks, Knoxville went from having 5 emergency rooms to just 4. But the number of patients needing care, that has not changed.
Yeah, that's creating longer wait times and more hassles for ambulance drivers and other folks. Our Justin McDuffie is finding out that these urgent care centers in town now have to pick up some of that slack.
Ambulances are stacking up at Knoxville's ERs.
Certainly the volume at Physicians Regional Medical Center was substantial, so the other 4 emergency rooms in the area are going to need to pick up the slack.
The most important thing to know is when to go straight there.
You're having really serious symptoms like acute chest pain, or you're so short of breath you're having a hard time talking, then you might as well go straight to the emergency room and in some cases call 911.
But ERs aren't the only ones seeing an increase in patients. Dr. Penniman with Summit Express Clinic Urgent Care says many are looking for an alternative with less of a wait.
We're not looking too bad from the standpoint of taking on the new capacity. We're certainly here to be able to take care of those patients that didn't really need to be in the emergency room anyway. And we know that most emergency rooms, 20 or 30% of them, easily could have been seen in an express clinic like what we have here.
He says they have plans in place in case needs for care get any higher.
Increasing our staffing, lengthening hours, we'll do whatever we need to make sure that we can take care of our community. And so if there is great need because there's a big flu epidemic, we'll definitely rise to the demand.
In Knoxville, Justin McDuffie, WVLT News.
Dr. Penniman says urgent care visits are covered by most insurance companies.
He says it's really best to check with every clinic before you go to make sure that they will accept your insurance once you get there.
Flu season's picking up and there's quite a few cases. A big jump in cases reported around the country. New numbers out today tell us 7 million people have been hit with the flu so far this season. Doctors say the best thing to do is get a flu shot.
These numbers are a reminder that flu can cause severe illness and hospitalizations. If you haven't been vaccinated yet, we still expect several more weeks of flu activity, so get your flu vaccine now.
Last year's flu season was the deadliest in nearly half a century. This year's flu is already being blamed for 16 deaths of children.
Well, new tonight, Governor Bill has